Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm here with a new English lesson. Do you have a secret? Well, we all have secrets. What if you tell your secret to your friend and you want him to not to share it with anybody else? Or your friend has a very juicy, spicy secret and you want him to spill that secret? How would you say that? Well, in this lesson, you are going to learn 10 phrases about keeping a secret or spilling secrets. So let's begin. Keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps means to keep a secret. For example, your boss shares with you an important information about an upcoming project and asks you to keep it under wraps. He means to say, keep this information a secret, don't share it with anybody else. Company keeping this information under wraps due to security reasons. Let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret. For example, there was information that was supposed to keep a secret, but somebody just revealed it. Maybe it was intentionally or accidentally, but he just revealed it. Then you would say he let the cat out of the bag. We are planning to throw a surprise birthday party for John. Don't let the cat out of the bag. Like a thief in the night. It means somebody behaving in a secretive manner. How does a thief behaves in night? Obviously, he walks swiftly that nobody notices his movement. This is how this phrase is derived. When somebody or something moves in a swift, secretive manner, we may say, like a thief in the night. John stole his father's car keys like a thief in the night. To bite or hold your tongue. It means to stop yourself from saying something. For example, you are in a situation where you want to say something or reveal some information, but you stop yourself from doing so. Maybe someone can get hurt or that information may put somebody in a difficult situation. So you prefer to keep quiet. This means you bit or held your tongue. When Sally bragged about her fashion sense, I just bit my tongue and said nothing. To give the game away. To give the game away means to reveal a secret. Maybe it was unintentionally, but if somebody just shared an information they were supposed to keep a secret, then he or she just gave the game away. He gave the game away and revealed our secret holiday plans. To take the lid off. To take the lid off means revealing some secret information but about some bad situation in front of public. The purpose of revealing that information is to expose the culprits and letting the know people if there is some kind of corruption or deception going on. There was major corruption going on in the company and media took the lid off. To dish the dirt. It means to reveal a secret or spread a gossip. There are certain people around us who love to gossip about others and reveal their personal information or personal secrets in front of other people, or just spread malicious gossips about them. In both ways, they are just dishing the dirt. Samantha loves to dish the dirt on her opponents. My lips are sealed. This is very common phrase, we often hear it. It means you are promising, I will not tell anybody. Suppose a friend of yours shares a personal secret with you and asks you, hey, don't share it with anybody. In response, you can say, my lips are sealed, means I will not share it with anybody. Don't worry, nobody will know about it. My lips are sealed. Don't spill the beans. It means don't tell anyone. For example, a friend of yours shares some kind of personal information and secret with you and says, please don't spill the beans. It means he's saying don't tell this to anyone. Just keep my secret with you. I can't trust her. She will spill the beans. In secret. It means without anyone knowing. If someone does something in private without letting anyone else know about it, then it means he did that particular act in secret. The two leaders met in secret without letting the people know. Thank you, friends. This brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you learned something new. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.